Hi everybody, this is Lee Locklear, President and CEO of Cutting Edge Automotive Solutions. We're here at the 2019 Mac Tools Tool Fair in Orlando. We're really excited to release the Quick Service Unit by TEXA. Cutting Edge is the largest distributor of TEXA products and services in the world. We handle most of the national account business on behalf of TEXA North America. We're really excited to be here at Tool Fair. We're getting great responses from the Quick Service product line through the Mac Tools tool distributors.
I've been dealing with TEXA since their startup with Mac Tools almost 5 years ago. Anytime I have a diagnostic need for the truck, off-highway, marine, motorcycle industry, I always call on TEXA.
After selling 40 units in the last 4 years of TEXA, I've found out that the product sells itself once you know the benefits of the tool. The tool has, for coverage and usability for the customer, finds to be the best tool that I've ever seen in heavy truck and off-road equipment. It's getting to the point now that I've got customers of competitors of mine that are coming, and when they ask for a tool, they say, come see Greg from Mac Tools.
Call Cutting Edge Automotive Solutions for more information or to schedule your free demo.